Hey guys, so quite a while ago now I was shopping on Pop in a Box, the website. They sell Pop Funko figures and like clothing and stuff like that. It's really cute. And one of the Pop Funkos that I bought was damaged. So I messaged them about it, they sent me a replacement, they sent me a little freebie, and they also must have seen I made YouTube videos because they asked if I wanted to get some to show you guys, which I did. Now, they sent this big box in May, and it's now November, so I apologise so much to them. It's just been on my floor, totally forgot about it. I just thought this was an old box that I'd already filmed. So yeah, it's been months and months and months, and they've not even chased me up about it, so I'm so sorry, but I'm going to do the video now. So I'm just going to get straight into it. Like I said, this is from a Pop in a Box. I've ordered from them loads before. They do like the normal Pop Funkos, they do exclusive ones, they do really rare ones, they do the movie moment big ones, they do keyrings and minis, mystery ones, stationery, clothing, so much. So if you're in the UK and you're looking for like a more rare Pop Funko that you can't buy in some shops, then you should go check them out. So I have three in here to show you. The first one is this Pennywise. Now, when this arrived, it wasn't damaged. It is a little creased up here now. I've done that myself, so that wasn't them. With it being on my floor for so long, I've just squished it a little bit. But this is the Pennywise with spider legs. So he's very cute. These normal ones usually are $9.99, but they do a deal which I think is 2 for $18 or something like that. I've also got the little mini one of this here to show you. I got this from them, like I bought this a while ago. It's a little tiny keyring version. So he's like the same, exactly the same, but just a bigger one. So I'm going to open this and show you now. I know a lot of people hate opening pop boxes, but honestly I display them without the boxes, so I'm sorry if that annoys you. But this is our first little guy. He's very cute and detailed, little cute pom-poms on his shoes. Very cool. So yeah, like I said, these ones are $9.99. Next we have this cute little guy. Now these are also by the Funko company. I actually hadn't seen these before until I went on the Pop in a Box website. They're kind of like little baby versions of horror characters. This Pennywise is the cutest thing I think I've ever seen, but the one I've got is this Jason one. So it has like a Velcro front that you can open, and it shows you what is in there. So you get your little cute baby looking figure, and then he's got an axe and like a machete kind of thing. So let's get this one out, see what he looks like. I actually expected his mask to come off. It kind of looked like it would when it was in the box, but I don't think it does. No, it's definitely attached to his head. So this is what he looks like. Very cute. And then he has, like I said, a little machete and an axe. So this is a tiny little axe, and then little blood splatter machete. Let's put this in his hand. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think I just bent the axe. Oh, I'm doing so well with this video. Okay, there we go. So that is him holding his axe. Okay, so I can get him to hold the little axe like this, but I can't actually get him to hold the machete because it's too thin to keep in his hand. So I'll have to just kind of place that on the floor near him, but that is him though. And then last but not least, I've left my favourite one till the very end. I didn't know which ones they were sending me. It was a surprise, and I'm so glad they sent this one because it's so cute. And it is the Movie Moments, sorry, my light's kind of making it look shiny. The Movie Moments Under the Moonlight Jack and Sally big 25-year Funko. So got a cute little picture on the back. Looks like this. Kind of has like a background scene in there, which is really cute as well. I'm gonna open this and get it out because I haven't seen it properly yet. Trying not to damage these boxes because I do keep the boxes, I just take them out of them, if that makes sense, to display. So this is what it looks like. So cute and detailed. It's got a little gravestone back here and the pumpkins and these like clear icicles. Some more little pumpkins. Some railings around here. And then this is Jack and Sally up here holding hands. Super cute. Like I said, there is like a little moon background thing, so you could always kind of keep that there if you really wanted to, but yeah. So as for prices, like I said with the first one, they are $9.99 each. I think this one is $29.99, the Movie Moments big ones, and I think these little 5-star like baby ones are also $9.99. They do come from other countries as far as I'm aware. I think this box came from Germany, even though it's an English website, so the postage can take a while sometimes, but the shipping's really super cheap and you never get import taxed or anything like that. So just a warning, I guess, that sometimes the postage can take a little while. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I think this is probably my favourite like Funko that I own. I do actually also have the Zero one with his little like gravestone looking doghouse, but I think this one is a lot cuter, so I'm gonna go put this on my shelf now. And yeah, like I said, I'm so sorry Pop in a Box for taking so long to do this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will put the link for them down below if you want to go have a look at what they've got. Like I said, they've got so much stuff. I actually went on there once and started adding things to my basket which I wanted, and it came to like £200 or something, so I just had to forget that because I can't spend that much money. But yeah, it's very addictive to go look at. So I hope you liked this video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe. Let me know which one of these was your favourite. I'm going to assume a lot of people are going to say the Nightmare Before Christmas one. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.